Welcome to the Lake Club in Lakewood Ranch, where John Cannon has built this incredible West Indies-style home. The Korina Model, a previous best overall winner in 2020 and 2019, also won for Best Master Suite and Best Floor Plan. And I'd love to show you why they won all of these awards by taking you through a tour of this 4,536 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. So I'll be right back. And I'd like you to take a minute and please subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any weekly videos. The real estate market has been a real challenge for buyers lately. In the resale market, prices have been pushed beyond what anybody thought was possible. And it's just as hard in the new home communities. I've been working with a couple, and I've made at least 6 offers for them in the resale market without winning one bid. And in the new home market, with the rising prices and the slow lot allocation, it's been just as difficult. So we began to consider a custom build for this couple, and indeed, this was the best option for them. They found that by working with the John Cannon sales team and architect, that they were able to make some adjustments and some tweaks to the floor plan and options, and they found that they could build a home, a custom home, for just about the same amount of money that they would have spent in a new home community and in about the same amount of time. I hope that they'll let me do a tour when their home is complete. But for now, let's go inside and take a look at the Korina Model. As you enter, you see these custom stained scissor beams that carry through to the outdoor living space to provide a volume and a cohesive look and feel. And that look carries through with the pool screen. Come with me into the owner's suite and you'll see why it's an award-winning feature. Trends have led to larger bathrooms and closets so that they're an extension of the bedroom space, providing functional flow and a retreat-like feel. Before we enter the primary bedroom, we're going to check out this bathroom that has the more masculine appeal. A neutral backdrop with an abundance of light completes the luxurious feel of this owner's suite. I'm sure you caught a glimpse of this when we walked in. How cool is this wine cooler? Now this prep kitchen is perfect for the accomplished chef and an inspiration for any beginner. The guest wing is this way, along with the laundry room. And this tops it off. A pool area with any kind of feature that you can imagine. Purchasing a custom home should be a collaborative effort between the builder and their team, you, and your realtor. Most custom builders will build on lots that they've already purchased or on a lot that you found in another area. John Cannon will do both. It seems like a custom build might take a long time, but in this market, maybe not as long as some other builds. Building a custom home is for the discerning buyer that wants to create a space that reflects their style and values. And now, did you hear? The secret is really out. Sarasota's made another list, and this time it's the Time Magazine's list of the 100 best places in the world. So, if you've got any ideas about moving to the Sarasota area, please give me a call. Drop me a line or comment below. And until next time, bye-bye.